Hi friends, I'm Jackie and today we will proceed with another concept of organic chemistry, chapter number 12, class 11, which is hybridization in carbon. Carbon has three types of hybridization, sp3, sp2 and sp3. So, first we will deal with sp3 hybridization of the carbon. So, sp3 hybridization example we are taking as methane. So, let's begin with this example. In this methane, we are having a carbon and one carbon and four hydrogens. So let's go on with the ground state electronic configuration. It is of carbon. So ground state electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2. Because carbon is having atomic number 6, so ground state electronic configuration of carbon will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. We can describe it as 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz empty. Okay. In ground state, carbon in ground state, if I want to see it, so carbon is having this structure. This is for, I would say, 2s2. If I'm starting, see 1s2 I'm just ignoring for a time being. I'm taking from 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz naught. So this is a circle sphere which is of, since s orbital is having a spherical shape, so this is the s orbital. This is p, there are three p orbitals. So over here also there are three p orbitals. P orbital, px orbital, py orbital, and this pz orbital is empty since it has no electron in it. So two electrons, this electron, two electrons is in s orbital. One electron is in px orbital and another electron is in py orbital. This is the ground state electronic configuration of carbon. This is its structure. Now we come and proceed to the excited state electronic configuration of carbon. Now this carbon is having carbon which is in excited state has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. इसमें क्या हुआ? इसमें वन इलेक्ट्रॉन जो हमारे पास 2s2 में था वो शिफ्ट हो गया 2pz1 में. Now the time the electron has excited to 2pz orbital, this hybridization will become sp3, 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 because now we are having four orbitals with one electron. S orbital with one electron, p orbital with one px orbital with one electron, py orbital with one electron, pz orbital with one electron. So we are having the hybridization now as sp3. There are 1s and 3p orbitals available for hybridization with the 4 hydrogen atoms. Since hydrogen is having only one electron in it and carbon has 4 valence electrons, so we need 4 hydrogen atoms so that the structure becomes stable and carbon attains its stability, it fulfills its octane. So it is a carbon over here. Fine. Now what we are having? Carbon, one spherical, 1s, 3p, 1p, 2p and 3p. Okay, we are having 3p orbitals. We are having 4 hydrogen atoms, 1 hydrogen atom, second hydrogen atom, third hydrogen atom and fourth hydrogen atom. Each hydrogen atom carrying 1 electron each. Now it will hybridize with the 1s and 3p orbitals of the carbon. So 1s orbital of carbon, then 1p, then another p and then the third p orbital. So hydrogen approaches, it merges with the 1s and 3p orbitals of the carbon and what we get is sp3 hybridization and we forms methane. So this is the structure of methane and this discussion about the sp3, how sp3 hybridization comes for carbon in methane. So this is the sp3 hybridization example for carbon. That's all for today's sessions. Goodbye.